Welcome to Writer's ER, where we unlock the secrets of writing dissertations and theses. Today, we're tackling a big one: how to craft a research question that sets you up for success. Think of your research question as the seed from which your entire project grows. Get it right, and you pave a smooth path to discovery. But if it's too vague or too broad, you might find yourself lost in the wilderness of research. So how do you come up with a question that's just right? It's all about being clear, focused, and practical. First off, your question should come from a place of curiosity. Look around in your field. What's missing? What puzzles you? Imagine you're a detective looking for clues. Your question should aim to fill a gap you've noticed, something that makes you think, hey, why hasn't anyone figured this out yet? If you found this video helpful, give us a like, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more guides on making your academic journey a bit easier. Let's break down the must-haves of a solid research question. Make it specific. Instead of asking something huge like, why do people use social media? Zoom in on a particular aspect, like how does checking social media before bed affect teenagers' sleep? Keep it clear. Use simple words. Your grandma should get what you're asking. Be realistic. Choose a question you can actually answer with the time, tools, and resources you have. If it sounds like you'd need a Hollywood budget or a time machine, scale back. Stay relevant. Your question should matter to your field and ideally to the wider world. It should be something people want to know the answer to. Now for the fun part, creating your question. Start by jotting down all the topics that spark your interest. Then narrow them down by asking yourself which ones meet the criteria we just talked about. Next up, dive into some reading. What are others saying about your topic? This can help you spot those gaps you're aiming to fill. Think of it as gathering pieces for a puzzle you're about to solve. After your detective work, it's time to refine your question. This step might take a bit of tweaking. It's like sculpting. You start with a rough block and chisel away until you've got something clear and precise. Let's say you're into the environment and you're curious about how cities impact nature. You've noticed not much is said about city parks. A perfect question might be, how does building more city areas affect the plants and animals in parks? Remember, crafting your question is a journey. It's okay to change it as you learn more. Before we wrap up, we want to hear from you. What's been the toughest part of coming up with your research question? Drop your stories in the comments. And hey, if you found this video helpful, give us a like, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more guides on making your academic journey a bit easier. Thanks for watching. Keep asking great questions, and let those questions light the way to your discoveries. See you next time.